2 to the power x minus 7 times 5 to the power x minus 4 is equal to 1250. We have to find the value of x. Now there are two ways that we can find this solution. 2 raised to the power x minus 7 times 5 raised to the power x minus 4. Now let's factorize 1250. So 1250, we start with 5 since at the end digit we have 0. So it is divisible by 5. So 250 times 5. Then again it is divisible by 5. So 5 times 5 is 25 and 0. Then again divisible by 5. 5 times 10 is 50. And then it is divisible by 5 times 2 is 10. So we have 5 to the power 4 times 2. So instead of 1250, we can write it as 5 to the power 4 times 2 to the power 1, like this. Now you can see that we have in the left hand side base 2 with exponent x minus 7 and base 5 with exponent x minus 4, and on the right hand side we have two factors, 5 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 1. That means this base will be equal to this. That means 2 to the power x minus 7, it is equal to 2, and 5 to the power x minus 4 is equal to 5 raised to the power 4. Then only this equation satisfies. Now 2 to the power x minus 7 is equal to 2 to the power 1. There is a rule, if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, in that case m is equal to n when a is not equal to 0 or 1. Here a is 2, therefore m, that is x minus 7, is equal to 1. So we can write x minus 7 is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 plus 7, that is equal to 8. Again 5 to the power x minus 4 is equal to 4. That means x minus 4 is equal to 4, or x is equal to 4 plus 4. So x is equal to 8. So in both cases we are getting x is equal to 8. Let's verify this. 2 to the power x minus 7 times 5 to the power x minus 4, we have to check whether it is equal to 1250. So 2 to the power x is 8. So 8 minus 7 times 5 to the power 8 minus 4. We have to check whether it is equal to 1250. 8 minus 7 is 1. So it is 2 to the power 1 times 5 to the power 4. And we just factorize 1250. It is equal to 5 to the power 4 times 2. So 1250 is equal to 1250. LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, x is equal to 8 is our answer. In another method, 2 to the power x minus 7 is also equal to 2 to the power x upon 2 to the power 7. Why? Because when a to the power m upon a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m minus n. Therefore, we can write a to the power m minus n in this form. So, we can write it as 2 to the power x upon 2 to the power 7 times 5 to the power x upon 5 to the power 4 is equal to 1250, or 2 to the power x times 5 to the power x. We send both these two denominators to the right hand side and we factorize 1250. It is equal to 2 times 5 to the power 4, then times 2 to the power 7, then times 5 to the power 8, 5 to the power 4. Again, when a to the power m times b to the power m, we can also write it as a times b whole to the power m. So we can write it as 2 times 5 whole to the power x. And this side, we can use the identity a to the power m times b to the power times a to the power n. It is equal to a to the power m plus n. Two bases are same, so we can write 2 to the power 1 plus 7 and times 5 to the power 4 plus 4, or this is 10 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power 8 times 5 to the power 8, or 10 to the power x is equal to, again we can write it as 2 times 5 whole to the power 8. Now here we have 10 to the power x is equal to 10 to the power 8. Again, if a to the power m is equal to a to the power n, and a is not equal to 0 or 1, here a is 10, then m is equal to n, therefore x is equal to 8. So you can use these two methods. Which method did you like more? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.